Huh?
Biri ko dapat Inggris ah.
Bigire macam Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As you have read by the title, it's a farm vlog, guys. So enjoy. Did you subscribe? Welcome to the farm, guys. Apo manjo sugar na? Babalenga atekamba. Babalenga murumada. Ogundo shimindi. Ngwaro sugar. Kaina. Badende baba.
Bomo kamro video mungre abi.
Say hi to the people. Sidani. Sido hi. As you can see, guys, we just arrived and we're going to get the house keys. So, and plus a night, obviously. No mutira. Oh my goodness. Mera. Robera wagotoka. Rune. Kumuguru. Abanganga unda. Sarah. Abanganga. Dari abanganga. Wangkatan. And see you in day 2. Hello guys, it's me again. It's day 2, as you can see, and we have already started with the cleaning section, so stay tuned and enjoy. We decided to take a quick break, just a small break, just a break. Section. Now we are on part 2 on cleaning section, as you can see. Where are we? Kono di Roma.
Ngo otereza makumasko makakuni. Ya, waiti wapanuka. Kapena story. You the minute they got be? I 54 video Nurinu she. Boss, go go no you go him way. Go go and be and do a bit. Hey,
as you can see, we have moved all the finishes from this side to the side as the house is being renovated, so we're just making some space. This side, huh?
Biri ko dapat Inggris ah.
Bigire macam okay.
Belum sih dulu.
Hijab
Mujere kuja jiki.
Ijevi. Ijevi wejere. Oishani mitfaro vingi hapo fatfara mundambwi mene ushani onjuoto maitunga chimomono shani. Mafi kupa mafi koshunda. Ni maka ngurai ni koshunda ni. Maka varongo mbe. Koshunda ko na kushukunino. Kama style guys, kama style vama nuka. Shiremwa mupaine mini kwako kama style.
Okay. Vanda ndio muningo ngutwa mwa onguri chikwewe. Ai. Kumbe kaunje ita mushundo chini. Eh?
Na visi nene ngoko nganda vandu varweni kapwetu nganda vandu vare kapwetu mishamba verasma sharishipata mushwani ha
nazozekela.
Chi. Ii. Mushwa tukaa pamwe mipato shari. Shimea koshundanu.
Okay.
She.
Just in case you're wondering who this guy is, he is my cousin and he's the manager at the farm.
Hi guys. Kare. Hello, cutie. She, mommy. Where are you guys going?